Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Wi-Fi Study Point. Friends, I am Namrata. Today I am going to discuss about second part of DFCCIL Economic and Marketing session. If you not watch my first part, then you can watch that. The link is provided in description. Here I am discuss on the MCQS. Friends, before start the video, if you are new and not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Here our first question is customer satisfaction and goodwill received from firms response to customer complaints is known as. Here the answer will be A. Service recovery. Now next question. Which of the following CRM includes data about market? Market offering, customers, channels, competitors, performance and potential. Here the answer will be B. Strategic CRM. Now next question. Dash refers to any direct or indirect interaction customer have with a brand, product, service, etc. Here the answer will be B. Customer touch point. Now next question. Which of the following is not component in the CRM business cycle? Here the answer will be C. Generate and eliminate. Now next question. Which of the following type of CRM system is available to purchase off the shelf and can be tailored to the need of businesses? Here the answer will be B. On-premise CRM. Next question. Dash is the buying tendency of those consumers that do not have a high involvement with a product and buy different products in search of variety. Here the answer will be D. Variety seeking behavior. Now next question. Salesforce, one of the leading CRM platform, was founded on. Here the answer will be B. In 1999. Now next question. When a consumer derives more satisfaction from a product or service than his expectation is known as. Here the answer will be B. Consumer delight. Now next question. Which of the following represents the sum of the perceived tangible and intangible benefit and costs of customer? Here the answer is C. Consumer value. Now next question. Dash involves personalizing and involves personalizing the channel of customer interaction such as email, SMS, telephone. Here the answer will be B. Customization. Next question. Purchasing carefully based on current need is. Here the answer is D. Conservative buying. Now next question. Dash may have stopped using your services because they lost interest and opted for your competitor? Here the answer is B. At risk, at risk customers. Next question. The concept of achieving maximum profits through increased customer satisfaction or raised market share focus on. Here the answer will C. Customer. Now next question. Cultural cultural factor affecting consu- consumer behavior. Cultural factor. Next question. Cultural factor affecting consumer behavior includes. Here the answer will be A. Culture, subculture, social class. Now next question. Which of the following is a process of arranging a product to create a unique impression in the customer's mind? Here the answer will be C. Positioning. Now next question. Which of the following consumer buying behaviors involves least efforts while making a purchase this decision? Here the answer will be C. Routine buying. Now next question. Which of the following is not a driver that motivates an organization to adopt a CRM strategy? Here the answer will be D. Suppliers strategy. Now next question. AIDA, attention, interest, desire and action model describes the stages of thought process of a. Here the answer will be customers. Next question. The company can mitigate defection rate by. Here the answer is C. Both A and B. Defining the measuring its retention rate, finding the reason behind customer attrition, and identifying those that can be managed better. Now next question. Dash is a person's feelings of pleasure that result from evaluating a product perceived performance to their expectation. Here the answer will be B. Customer satisfaction. Now next question. Dash refers to the ability of a CRM applications to handle a large amount of customer data in an efficient manner. Here the answer will be C. Scalability. Now next question. Managers conduct a dash to know the company's weakness and strength relative to those of various peers. Here the answer will be C. Customer value analysis. Now next question. Which of the following is not a purpose to analyze customer information through analytical CRM? Here the answer will be C. Analyze non-verbal behavior of customers. Now next question. Sorting and retrieving data from a data warehouse comes under dash requirement of a CRM tool. Here the answer will be C. Processing. Now next question. ERP stands for. Here the answer will be D. Enterprise Resource Planning. Next question. Does refer to people oral, written or electronic communications that relate to, to the metrics or experience of purchasing or using product or services. Here the answer will be B. Word of mouth marketing. Word of mouth marketing. Next question. Which of the following is said to have triggered the buying process when a person normal needs such as hunger, thirst, rise enough to become a drive? Here the answer will be A. Internal stimulation. Now next question. Dash is someone who is capable of becoming a purchaser of product and or services from an organization. Here the answer is B. Potential customer. Now next question. In buying decision process, percentage of potential customer in a given target market is called C. Marketing funnel. Now next question. A person are all the group that a person dash are all the group that have a direct or indirect influence on their attitudes or behavior. Here the answer will be B. Reference group. Here our session is end. So friends, these are the most important questions for your DFCCIL exam. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, then like it. And if you have any doubt, please comment on comment section. Thank you.